Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening iCUE and confirming your Corsair fan appears in devices. You need the latest iCUE because it manages profiles and firmware. Once done, iCUE will list the fan, hub, and motherboard RGB. If a firmware update shows, install it now to avoid color sync issues. Make sure the fan hub or RGB header is powered and the USB cable is connected to the internal header. Otherwise, iCUE cannot control lighting. You now create or edit a lighting profile for that fan. Select the device, then add a new lighting layer and pick an effect, static for one color, gradient for blends, or rotating effects for motion. Adjust speed and direction where applicable. These parameters change how colors transition and impact CPU usage. Use the color picker or enter hex codes for exact shades and assign zones if the fan has multiple LEDs. Save the profile so you can recall it quickly. You finish by applying the profile and syncing it across devices if you want uniform lighting. Once applied, use the preview to confirm the selected colors play correctly. Sometimes a quick reboot forces the controller to refresh. If colors don't change, make sure firmware is current, the USB cable is seated, and the lighting channel mapping matches your fan ports. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset cables and reapply firmware. This fixes most persistent color or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.